We're going to look at how to solve a system of equations in context. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to pick in context. First one we're given is all about tickets. So it says the cost for adult tickets, cost for child tickets, and then total number of tickets sold. We're trying to find the determinant of each number of type of each ticket. So I'm going to use some variables here. So I'm going to use, let's use A for number of adult tickets. And then let's use C for number of child tickets. So then our two equations we're going to write a system here. So it says adult ticket is $8.80 for every adult plus $7.80 for every child. This is our money equation, so money, and then equals the total money, so equals the $469.80. That's all money. And the other equation is all about the 56. So there's 56 total tickets, so I'm going to do equals 56 adults plus the children's tickets equal that. This one I can do elimination or substitution for. It doesn't really matter. I guess I'll do elimination here. So I'm going to get rid of the a variable and multiply this whole thing by negative 8.8. And that gives me negative 880a minus 880c equals. And don't forget to multiply the 56 also by negative 8.8. So if I multiply those two, that'll give me negative 492.80. And then from there, I'm just going to add these two equations together. Adding these two together, I'm skipping over the second one here. That'll cancel out the a's, and I get negative 1c from adding this and this equals, I'm just going to subtract, or I'm going to add the 469.8 plus the negative 492.8. And that gives me negative 23. So divided by negative 1. So there were 23 children's tickets sold. And then you can use either equation to find A. I'm going to use the easier one. It says A plus C equals 56. So A plus 23 equals 56. I'm going to then just subtract the 23. And the number of adult tickets sold is 33. So 33 adult, and sorry for my handwriting here, and 23 child tickets will be my answer. Let's go over here and hit show answer, and there we go. Got it right. Let's do a rectangle one here. So I always like to draw a picture if it is not giving us a picture. So the length is 5 more than 7 times the width. And then for perimeter, it's just 2 lengths plus 2 widths equals the perimeter. That's how we make our equation. So it'll also help to label these. So if this is the width, and this is 5 plus 7w, 5 plus 7w. So then adding those all up together gives you your total. So you can do it either way. I'm going to just show the substitution here, just because we are talking about systems of equations. So I'm going to show the perimeter is 122, so I put that in. And then this is L, so I'm going to put that in for L. So 2 times 5 plus 7w plus 2w equals 122. And this will be 10 plus 14w plus 2w equals 122. And then putting my w's together would be 16w plus 10 equals 122. And then from there we just have a two-step. So that's 112 equals 16w. And that gives us, if you divide this by 16, the width is 7. And the length is 5 plus 7w. So 5 plus 49, which is 54. So our length is 54. And our width is 7. And there we go. Let's do one more here. Let's do this last one. So it says 2 drinks plus 1 taco is $6.13, and then 5 drinks plus 9 tacos is $37.62. I'm going to do elimination for this one. I'm going to do this one times negative 9. So negative 18d minus 9t equals 613 times a negative 9, which is negative 55.17. Then I'm going to add these two together. The t's cancel out. This gives us negative 13d equals negative 1755. I'm just going to divide by negative 13, and that'll be the cost of our drinks. And that is $1.35 once you do that division. And then it says 2 drinks, so 2 times 135 plus 1 taco is 613. So that times 2 is $2.70 plus t equals 613. So if I just subtract the 270, I will get the cost of each taco. And that gives us $3.43. So that's the taco cost, $3.43. Drink we already had is $1.35. And there we have it. So there's three different examples of how to solve a system in context by writing and solving a system, and then obviously using substitution or elimination based on the way it was set up.